Cast iron liner job, day 2. Hey guys, this is Travis with Hargrave's Plumbing. Here you have our guys, AJ and Caleb out on site, Jerome on camera. We had a customer call out. We didn't get video of day 1 because we had to hurry up, get out there, break up the clog, and get the pipe chain cleaned to be able to offer basically emergency relief. We then followed up with the customer. We were able to locate the areas that were a problem, locate the areas that were not a problem, and we gave him options for the partial fix and then the full fix. This customer had a pretty significant problem on the 2-inch pipe that we located. We wound up basically working on 45 feet, which is about a little more than average compared to the ones we've been doing recently, but we can go all the way up to 200 to 1,000 feet if need be. Here you have the guys mixing up the resin. They've measured it precisely in the part earlier. Then you have to heavily mix it. You do not want to have residue in the bottom that was not mixed with the fluid. Could be a big problem, and you get one chance to do this right, people. We don't take a chance. As you can see, he sits here and heavily mixes it, kind of changes the angles. Right here you have AJ and Caleb pouring the resin into the tube. Kind of goes in smooth. Every now and then you'll have a little spill, but that's why we have the plastic under us. You never want to take a chance, and resin is something you need to be very careful with. So we always mix a little bit extra, that way you have it ready, so this spill wasn't a problem. They are going to fill this tube up. It's exactly measured, and then they are going to work the resin through the tube to make sure that they get a perfect seal and even coat all the way through this liner. Our next video is going to be where we jump across to what we call the cannon. Okay, this customer had a backup, so this sheetrock was already open at some point, so he was fine with us using this as an access point. We usually try to avoid any sheetrock work. Sometimes if it's already been open or there's a problem where you need access to the pipe, we will open up the sheetrock. But we do offer sheetrock repairs as part of our service. And you have to get the right angles. That way when you do this pipe the first time, you do it right. But they slowly are adding in the compressed air. You can see the guys, the tube is in there, just about done. And then the next video we have will be coming in the next few days, and we'll be giving you a final product of what this job turned into at the end. Super excited to show you what we can do at Hargrave's Plumbing. Pipeliner is really cool.